Hello guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about things you should know before buying Dr.Teals body lotion. So months ago, someone asked me why her lotion wasn't working, complaining that she had used about 3 containers consistently and it wasn't working for her. So I was wondering which lotion it was, and she said Dr.Teals lotion. So I was trying to place why it wasn't working. I said she wanted it to lighten her up, and it did not lighten her up, so it wasn't working. So I had to put her through what I'm going to put you through now. Number one thing you should know before buying Dr. Teals lotion is that Dr. Teals lotion is not a lightening lotion. It will not lighten you up in any way. In fact, there are different types. They have the milk and honey, the oats, citrus, so many types. And if you are using it because you want it to lighten you up, then you're getting it wrong. They are all light, they are not lightening lotion. So first thing you should know is that Dr. Teals products will not lighten you. Number one, it only gives you a radiant and glowing look. That is for sure. When you use Dr. Teals lotion, you will love your look. Like, it's going to give you that radiant pop, that beautiful pop. Now, number two thing you should know is that it works well for normal to combination skin. It works very well for that type or for those types of skin. But if you have dry skin, then you shouldn't really consider it except you want to add some oils to it, because it will not really give you that moisture you want. So for normal to combination skin, it works very well. That's when you see very great results. So number three thing you should know about Dr. Teals lotion is that it is very good for a youthful and young look. If you want your skin to look youthful all year long, then you should consider using Dr. Teals. Like, it's going to give you that youthful glow, that youthful energy. You understand? You're going to look very radiant. You're going to love how your skin pops. That's number three thing you should know. Now, number four is that Dr. Teals lotion will not last all day long on your skin. It doesn't go 24 hours. Do you get? Like, you need to maybe reapply, or because it doesn't go 24 hours. That's one reason why it is not so great for that dry skin. Now, it is not really great for dry skin. So if you want to use this all day long, then maybe you have to reapply, or you alternate Dr. Teals and another lotion. Number five is that's one reason why I like it. It's lightweight, so it absorbs into the skin real quick. Like, you just need to apply and it goes into the skin already. It's not like it's going to just be on the skin, and that's one reason why I really love this Dr. Teals lotion, guys. So if you're considering getting Dr. Teals with the intention that it's going to lighten you, it's going to brighten you, it's going to give you how many shades, 10 shades, then you're getting it all wrong. Maybe you have to pro mix it before you get that results. But Dr. Teals on its own does not lighten. Now, for my dark skin and caramel people who want to try out Dr. Teals for a very good result, I'm going to tell you how to use it and how to go about it to get that beautiful caramel skin. So if you are dark or maybe caramel and you want to pop it, or if you're already light skin, that is, you're naturally light skin, and you want to maintain that light complexion, then you should use Dr. Teals body lotion. You should use now I can't really tell which of the lotions, because they're almost the same thing. Like, they all do almost the same thing. It's just depending on which you prefer. You can prefer the lavender, you can prefer the coconut oil, you can prefer the eucalyptus, you can prefer the citrus. Like, just anyone you prefer, you can just go with it. That is, you take the lotion now and then the body scrub, very essential. So I really love the body scrub because it's also moisturizes, like it's well hydrating very well. That's one good thing about the body scrub. So you can use the body scrub, don't forget, 2 to 3 times a week, and you will really love the results. So the body lotion now, the body scrub, if you are good with the with salts body wash, then you can choose to use it, because the body wash is Epsom salt, so you can choose to use the body wash or choose to use another body wash. And then the body oil, the oil is very great. The oil is great for dark to light skin. You would love the results, and it moisturizes very well. In fact, that's one thing with the body oil, like you can use it even with other products. It lightens, or not lightens rather, it gives a very nice body tone, color tone. So you will want to try out everything. And then we go along with the face cream. The face cream is really nice, it's also lightweight, so you can use the face cream. And don't forget to use your sunscreen. If you should add all of these together, I'm just going to put pictures of all of them. If you should add all together, guys, you're going to love your skin. Like if you are dark skin, it's going to pop your skin. If you are caramel, you're going to love your caramel. And if you're already light, it's going to maintain your light skin. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. If you found it helpful in any way, then do well to like, give us a subscribe, and you can also comment if you have used it, what the result was like, or if you want to use it, your intentions. And I'll see you in my next video. For now, it's a bye.